Hey everybody, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and I'm here to update you on the Harmony situation. So in this video, I'm going to talk about, give you a Harmony update, tell you where I think it's going in terms of price predictions. Also, there's a major announcement from Stephen Tse from Harmony One in terms of an update. So I'm going to tell you about that, when that update's coming out, and how that's going to affect the Harmony price. Also in this video, I'm going to announce the $500 worth of Ethereum, who that lucky subscriber is who just won $500. So let's get into the content. And before we get into the content, please smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified. So that big announcement for Harmony that's coming up April 13th is for the validator nodes. They have to upgrade to version 4.0. This is mandatory. And this coincides, April 13th date coincides with the date that I talked about in terms of my first target price of Harmony hitting 21 cents. So I think this is in line for that. That's why we're seeing a lot of consolidation, a lot of range bound between 14 and 15, 15.5. And this is happening because I think a lot of people are holding large bags of a Harmony, are waiting for the upgrade to happen. Then April 13th, I think that you'll see that the price will explode, as I indicated in my TA yesterday in my video. So you guys need to hold on for that. I know that a lot of you are, worrying about what's going with Harmony, because Harmony is, it's really slow and it's not doing anything. So you guys just need to be patient. Remember the diamond hands. So don't panic, guys. Let's get into some of the TA. All right, guys. Let's get into the technicals right now, and let me explain what I think is going on with Harmony before the lead up to the mandatory update of the validator mode that's going to happen on the 13th of April. So as I said before, just to repeat, 13th of April at 2 p.m. UTC, Harmony is going to have a major upgrade, version 4.0 of the validator mode. As you can see, that we're seeing more of a downward trend in this descending triangle. I've been getting some texts and messages. People ask me what's going on. Should I sell? Should I sell? Should I sell now? And we're getting some people kind of panicking because they see it going down. Remember, there's been a considerable, almost 300% increase in the last 30 days. So it's very normal for altcoins to start taking a breather before we have the next leg up. So as you can see here, this is my current resistance level. This is my support level. And we've been going down over the past couple of days consistently 1-2% per day. Now keep in mind that also Bitcoin has been basically going in a sideways range bound pattern for some days. So that's not helping. But I really believe that over the next couple of days, we're going to kind of see on the 4-hour chart, we're going to kind of see this kind of range here. And then I believe that on the 12th, we're going to start to break out of that. And we're going to see a pattern, something like that. Bit of consolidation, back up to 18, back up to 20, and then some consolidation, and then some consolidation, and then we should see some upside. So that's where I kind of see as going. So if I look at the 13th, which is around about here, guys, I can see that the price action is going to start going up. Hopefully by the 15th, if we look at the 15th, we should be back up to 15.6. Then as we move along on the 18th, we should be up to 16. Then on the 22nd, we should be up to 18. Then we should be retesting the all-time highs. Let's just draw a line here where the all-time highs are. The all-time high was around about here. So we can see that we should be in price discovery mode around about we should be in price discovery mode around about the end of April, 1st of May, and then we should be testing all-time new highs. So this is really my TA. Sure, we could have a major breakdown. We could actually have a major breakdown and go down to this level and start to retest these areas, but I really don't see that happening. I saw that, we had some major support here. We can see that there's a major support line in this area here. So right now we're below that support line. Then my next support line level, if we take a look at the chart here, we can see that the next major support line level is around about this area. Around about 10 cents. So I see the worst case scenario is that we're gonna hit down to around about 10 cents, and then we're gonna bounce back up in this the trajectory here. So I think the most likely scenario is, most probable, we'll continue down on this descending triangle, hit this major support here, and then we should have an impulse to the upside around about here, and then retesting all-time highs around the end of. So this is kind of scenario, the best case scenario here. This is the worst case scenario here, and then this I think is average. I think this is probably more likely what's going to happen here. So I think we'll retest the 10 cent mark here, and then we'll bounce up. So hopefully this TA has been helpful. Once again, diamond hands, hodl and hold, don't panic. Also keep in mind that if you're staking Harmony OneCoin, you're getting 16 to 17%. I'm staking right now, I'm getting 17%. So I'm not worried, if we're having some dips and some corrections. That's pretty normal, guys. So those of you who are panicking, once again, don't panic. It's not the end of the world. We have a couple of scenarios that I think is more likely going to happen. So let's just keep an eye on the 10 cent support line. And I don't think we're going to go below 10 cents. I think we may get close, and then we'll bounce up. So this is the TA. So please, guys, give me some comments. Tell me what you think about my TA. Tell me what you think are your price targets, and tell me what you think is what's likely going to happen. So please smash that like and subscribe. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this Harmony update for today. You guys don't panic. This is just a little bit of consolidation range bound. As I said, April 13th, expect my targets between 19 and 21 cents to hit. I'm really confident. You should be confident. You shouldn't be panicking, guys. Hold on. You're going to see some really explosive price action coming. Like I said, by the end of the year, Harmony definitely will hit $1. I'm confident on that. You should be really confident on that. And don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and I want to congratulate one of my subscribers, Sasa, for winning $500 in Ethereum. So DM me and I will send you the information. You send me your information and we'll transfer that to your Ethereum wallet. So congratulations for Sasa. There'll be a video coming up really soon on a Cardano update, some really amazing stuff that's coming out. The Alonzo testnet's going to be coming out soon with smart contracts, and you're going to see the price absolutely pump. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys. We wouldn't be able to do this without you. Thanks for all the support.